Maybe you had water damage and we were able to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact. Maybe you had fire damage and we were able to restore your home and get it back to its pre-loss condition. Thank you for the opportunity to serve you in such a way. Would you be willing to do us a favor? We would like your story recorded on camera. It'll be real simple. We'll just bring a phone and some microphones. We want to hear your story because we have customers who are on the fence about working with us. They don't know how well our team will serve them, but you do. And your story will help them say yes to letting us serve them at the level they need us to. Would you be willing to do that? It takes about 30 minutes. We'll ask you just a few simple questions. What was the situation that happened in your home? What was it like to work with Swartz Restoration? Who on our team went above and beyond your expectations while we were serving you? Thank you for serving us in this way, but thank you for letting us serve you already.